GL500 starter replacement. The best thing you want to do is remove the undershield cover, disconnect the negative battery cable. I was thinking possibly it might be easier to remove the mounts, but what I found to be a lot easier and convenient was removing the cable from the alternator. It'll be on the back side, you'll be able to access it. Let's see, back here. Remove that cable, and then it connects also in series with the starter, so you will have enough room to remove it in that direction if you just pull down on the end of it like this. Let me see if I can get angle for you. Just pulling it down where you can access the bolt you need to loosen.